What is that?
That's my snoring.
What's wrong with it?
That's my snoring.
What'd you call it?
My snoring.
What kind of snoring?
My regular snoring.
I thought you said it was horrible.
Yeah, it is.
Who else has horrible snoring?
You
Who else?
can, and also my brother because he's really loud. Don't laugh.
I'm sorry. I'm taking it very seriously. Are you super tired?
Yeah.
How come?
It's because we took a long thing.
Where have we been?
Mom,
What?
don't do that. Okay, just take a picture of me sleeping and the horrible snoring. Is that horrible?
It's horrible. It's the worst thing I've ever heard.
Now what do you do?
What do you want me to do?
Now how you turn it in a video.
There's been a lot of money in.
Now, take it as a video.
I am.
Now what do you do?
What do you want me to do?
Get it online.
We're at online.
On your computer.
On Facebook?
Yeah. Did you do it?
Did I do what?
Did you put it online?
We're at online.
On your computer!
On what? The Facebook?
Yes.
Well, then all my